guys, welcome back for another video. I'm Jess and I'm one of the creative designers here at Sizzix. Today I am super excited because I have in front of me the brand new Big Shot starter kit. So you may have seen we have reimagined and redesigned the tried and trusted Big Shot machine, Sizzix Big Shot machine, and I have the starter kit version here with me today. So we're going to run through everything that you get in the box. We're going to run through the machine, the dies, the cardstock, everything, and we're going to showcase it and go through it together. So super excited. So let's get started. Okay, so like I said, I have the Big Shot starter kit in front of me, and you can probably see from the front of the box and the packaging that it obviously comes with a selection of dies, an embossing folder, cardstock, things like that, and we've got a ton of inspiration already on the box for you with our gorgeous photography and our projects. So I'll just give it a bit of a spin to show you. So pretty. But obviously I'm going to go through the machine as well and all of the key features of the brand new design because it's just absolutely stunning. And you can see a little bit of detailed information of what you actually get in the box with this one as well on the front of the packaging. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys. So I'm going to undo it here. I'll spin it around so you can see. And as you can see, it is cardboard packaging inside. So I'm just going to slide this out. It's nice and snug in there, so it's not going to go anywhere or get ruined, which is fantastic. And I'm just going to spin this round because obviously the main difference between this one and the standalone Big Shot is it does come with the starter kit. So when you unbox it, you will see this piece of packaging here with that gorgeous Sizzix emboss on there. And this actually has the starter kit in it. I'm going to pop this to one side because we're going to go through this a little bit later, and I'm going to touch on the machine first. But you just want to remove these pieces of cardboard, and you have the brand new Sizzix Big Shot in all of its glory. I mean, how stunning is this machine? It is so pretty. The new design has been so well thought about. I'm going to run through all the key features for you as well and highlight those. But obviously you can see from the off how sleek and modern this new design is. And it's just been kind of really well thought about, even from the details. So things like the Sizzix emboss on the top there. So kind of next level, top tier design. And I love, love, love that. So I'm going to take the platform and the plates out as well, and we'll touch on those as well at some point. But I just wanted to show you guys with that not in there. And you can probably see you've got the steel rollers in there, so it's got the same kind of even pressure that your regular Big Shot had, so you know you're going to get those really precise cuts and things like that, and it's well distributed across the steel rollers, which is fantastic. It is also that 6-inch working space, so again the same size as the original Big Shot, and you've also got that wide open mouth, so you can use all of our technology with this machine. So obviously your Thinlits Dies, your 3D embossing, your 2D embossing, and even your big dies as well. So don't worry about that, it's still the same versatility of our original Big Shot, which is fantastic. It's just had that refresh to kind of bring it in to the modern era, which is great because this original machine has been around for over 2 decades now. It has been loved by so many crafters since its launch in 2001. And we just thought it deserved a little bit of a facelift, and we've kind of taken some extra little pieces on board and kind of given them some new key features as well, which I think you guys are going to love. So another thing is the change of the handle situation. So it has these two little indents on either side here, and it's super ergonomic. You literally just grab it and pick it up from the top, but it's not intrusive in any way, like there's not a handle sticking out or anything. It's really smooth with the design, which is fantastic. So you have that feature there. And then one of my favorite things, and I think it'll be one of your favorite things as well, is the handle. Now, you'll see that it's obviously not on the machine, which when you get your original Big Shot, and if you're aware and you've had one, you know it comes with the handle separate and you have to attach it with a little screw and a little Allen key. And I don't know about you, but the amount of times I have misplaced that little screw or the Allen key, or I couldn't be bothered to take off the handle to get it back in the box or whatever it might be. But we have solved that problem for you. So if I just turn it upside down, you will see the handle is actually sitting inside the base. So you literally just pop it out like so. It just goes back in, super easy, just clicks back in and it just pulls out, which is great. Then we're going to turn it back and we're literally just going to align it and pop it in. So you just press and it pops and it is fully secure, so it's going to be able to move and be used just like the original handle. And then when you're ready to take it off, there's a little button at the top and you just press it down and pull it out. How amazing is that? How easy is that? I'm literally, all you need to do is fully align it and click it on. Like, it is an absolute game changer to still have that manual hand crank design, but a handle that just comes on and off, super easy, packs away under your machine, and it makes it incredibly compact and easy to use. And I think that's beautiful. Like, so well thought about, even things like the tiny little S emboss on there. I mean, I love it. I love, love, love it. And actually, when I had it upside down, you probably saw the 4 little non-slip pads that we've got underneath as well. So that means that your machine is not going to go rolling around on your work surface as well. So when you're rolling it through, it's not going to go anywhere, which is great. So I'll just show you guys the platform and the plates as well. So they obviously also come with your machine, which is fantastic. You also get a little instruction manual as well. So if you need that, you can use that to kind of make sure you're doing everything correctly. If you want any more information, that's all in there for you. And then you do also get your 2 clear plates. So your 2 clear plates there with that gorgeous little bit of beveled edge to help it run through the machine better. And then you do also get your platforms. So like I touched on before, you're gonna be able to do all of the same technology that you could with your original Big Shot machine using the platform sandwich system. So we've got 2 of our platforms there. So it means, like I said, you could do your 3D embossing, 2D embossing, Thinlits, bigs, absolutely anything. And all the information is on the plates for you, on the platforms for you. So we haven't changed that design, which I think is a big thing for people. And I really like the fact that we have all the information there for you, which is great. So when you go to roll it through, it's just the same kind of sandwiches that you know and are used to, but you're gonna get that same amazing cut, pressure, emboss, whatever it might be that you're trying to create, but it's just got that gorgeous new reimagined sleek modern design with all of those kind of extra key features, which I think are stunning and so well thought about. Like I said, so well designed, which I think you guys know from our brand, and if you've been following us for a while, since even the launch of the original Big Shot, that we pride ourselves in having that high quality design and all of the kind of key features which we really think about to like a next level basically. So machine aside, we also obviously have the starter kit portion. So this comes in this little white envelope that's got that gorgeous emboss. So all of that is inside here. So you actually get a selection of dies, you also get an embossing folder, and you get a selection of cardstock in here as well, which is great. So it all comes in this plastic wallet, so you're not gonna lose anything, which is great. I'm just gonna take all the bits out to show you guys. So we have a gorgeous die set. Now I'm going to show you the die set first because I just absolutely love it. Because we've thought about kind of all of the main key bits that you would probably want either as a beginner or just go-tos in your collection, in your crafting kits basically. So you've got a full alphabet in there. So you've got the smaller little letters. You've also got the outlines as well, which is great. It gives a really nice effect to those alphabets. And then you've got a selection of larger framelits. So you've got a tag shape. You've also got a few different ovals with scalloped edges and some little stitch details and dot details as well. We wanted kind of to have those kind of basic shapes in there, but elevate them a little bit. So having things like those key edges, like the scalloped and the stitched and things like that, just really elevates it, which I think is great. And then you have a selection of other shapes in there, like key shapes. So things like your flowers, balloons, butterflies, heart, star, things like that. So hopefully we've covered loads of different occasions within this one little set, and I think you'll find that you'll gravitate towards using it time and time again, which is great. We've also got one of our embossing folders. So this is a gorgeous geometric design, and I think this will be fantastic for your backgrounds and things like that. I'll show you some fun ways to use it in some future tutorials as well. And that will work fantastically with the design. You could have it as a full background. You could cut one of the larger framelits and then emboss it. Loads of different ways you can use that. And then you also have some A6 sized cardstock. So it has this little sleeve which is fully embossed, which I think is gorgeous. Keeps it all nice and cohesive and all together. And you have a selection of different cardstock. So you get 2 sheets of every colour, and you have a mixture of opulent and plain cardstock in there as well. I'm just going to try and fan them out as best as I can, just to show you the variety of the colours. So the plain cardstock is that gorgeous linen texture, which you probably know and are used to with our regular Sizzix cardstock. And then we've also got some like pearl opulent, and as well as some more kind of mirror cardstock as well. So that all comes in that set as well. So you basically have everything ready to go for you guys to use at home. You literally need a little bit of glue and you can get crafting ASAP as soon as you get this kit home, which is great. And hopefully you will have this kit and this brand new Big Shot machine in your collection for the next 20 plus years until we maybe think about redesigning it again. But I really hope you guys love it just as much as I do, just as much as everybody here at Sizzix does. We are so passionate about our products and how we develop them and how we design them. So a lot of love has gone into this, and I really hope you guys just love it. It is available now, so head on over to the Sizzix website and check it out. If you do have any questions or you want to see some inspiration with the starter kit, don't worry, that content is coming your way. But yeah, leave any questions that you've got down below, and our team will make sure to help you guys out as much as we possibly can. And if you get your hands on this machine, then please share your pictures and your makes and everything across all of our socials, because we absolutely love to see it and we love to hear from our Sizzix community. So thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I hope you love the brand new machine and the starter kit just as much as I do. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, stay safe and keep crafting. Thanks, bye.